Alright, hello everyone. So today we're looking at dividing polynomials, right? And remember in the class where we were discussing the polynomials, we said that we have to arrange them in descending powers of x. So this question has already given us the polynomial, the terms arranged in descending powers of x, because we go from cube to squared to x to the first power to a constant. Right, so it's already arranged. We divide polynomials using somewhat the long division process. So I'm going to walk you through that right now. So when we're dividing the polynomial, we're going to divide each term by the power of x that's in the divisor. So in this case, we're going to be dividing each term by x, right? The x that's right here. So we divide 2x cubed by x, then that's one of the x's will cancel. So we're going to be left with 2x squared. When we get that quotient, we multiply it by each of the term in the divisor. So we're going to be multiplying this 2x squared by the x as well as by -2. And just as when we're doing long division, we subtract. That's what we're going to be doing. All right. So 2x squared times x, that's going to give us back our 2x cubed. 2x squared times -2, that's going to give us -4x squared, right? 2 times 2, 4, x squared, yes. And then we subtract. So of course, that would be 0. And then we'd have -3x minus -4x squared. No, we have the fact that we have a double negative, we know that becomes a positive. So we're gonna be left with, we're gonna have -3x squared plus 4x squared. So that will leave us with a positive x squared. We bring down the next term, we're gonna have x squared plus 4x. And then we divide again by the x term. So x squared, x into x squared. One of the x's will cancel, so that will leave us with x. And again, we're going to multiply this quotient by each of these terms here. So we will have x times x and x times -2. So x times x, that gives us back our x squared again. X times -2, that's -2x. Again, we are subtracting, so that will be gone. 4x minus -2, double negative again, so it becomes positive. So that's going to be 4x plus 2x, so that will give us 6x. Bring down the next term, 6x minus 8. And then we proceed to divide again this term by our x term. So 6x divided by x, that is 6. And of course, we multiply each of these terms here by that quotient. So 6 times x, 6x, and 6 times 2, 6 times -2, that's -12. And we are subtracting, so that's gone again. 6x minus 6x, that's 0. -8 minus -12, double negative, so it's -8 plus 12. So that will give us 4 right here. And we cannot divide this 4 by x. So that means it's a remainder. So our answer, let me separate the page a little bit. Our answer would be our answer would be 2x squared plus x plus 6 with a remainder of 4. When we're doing fractions, how do you express your remainder? We would normally express our remainder as a fraction of our divisor. So our answer can be rewritten as 2x squared plus x plus 6 plus 4 over our divisor, which is x minus 2. And in answering this question, we can also rewrite to say that 2x cube, original question, minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 8 is equivalent to x minus 2 times 2x squared plus x plus 6 plus 4. It's not necessarily showing on the page, but that is plus 4. All right. So that's one example of of dividing polynomials. I will try to do another example shortly because some persons are clueless. But what I would want you to do is to watch the video again and observe. Because remember, we don't always get it the first time. So I will see you in the next video.